Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set the gas price on your 2014 Prius C Level 1. We're going to turn on the car and we're going to start with our steering wheel. We're going to be using the display button and the trip button. To get to the settings menu, we're going to press the display button, and then to select the settings menu, we're going to push and hold display. Now, to set the gas setting, we're going to go to the Set Eco Savings. So we're going to push the display button until we get to our desired selection, and then we're going to push and hold it to make that selection. Now right now the gas is set at $4.39 a gallon. However, lucky for us, it's gone down a little bit. So we're going to change it so that we're getting a more accurate reading. And as you can see, if you don't do it fast enough, the display will time out. So we're going to go back in to Eco Settings. We're going to press display and hold it, and then press display to go up to change the gas setting. And we're going to hold display down to make that a selection. So since the gas price is going down, we're going to hit the trip button on our steering wheel, which is right below the display. You can see it in the little diagram. And we're going to set the gas for what we just paid the other day, which was $4.14. And then we don't have to do anything because this screen will time out in 5 seconds. Now we can hit the display button to get back down to return. We're done here. We're going to press and hold display, and since we're not doing anything else in the settings menu, we can press and hold display to exit out. That's how you set the gas price on your Toyota Prius C Level 1 2014. I hope this helps.